Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this following text effect in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. First, I just open a new page and add this picture, increasing the size. Actually, this is not the original picture what I used. Originally, I used this one. Then I removed the background from the shark. And actually, you know what? Start to do it again with this. And just fit the page from the left to the right. This looks okay. Then going back to the elements and going to the frames, see all, scrolling down until find the letters, and just looking for a letters of shark. H. This might be already too big. Yeah, you can see the reference line here also. Just reducing the size. Might be still too big. But looks not okay. Okay-ish. And going back to that was original picture. So elements, just closing the, not going back from the letters, frames, and just going back to the recently used, and I'm using the same picture and adding to actually all letters. And I also need one more. Just this one to the letter A. And now I have to increase all the pictures inside the letters. Double click on it, increasing until I reach the top, and moving until I reach the left side. Now just increasing to reach the right side. This is why I like to use, when I'm using the frames, I love to increase the pictures till the borders, then easily to recreate or resize the other pictures like this. Again, I just increasing to the top, to the right, and to the left. Same to letter A, double click, just increasing to the top, increasing till to the right side, and now the left bottom, left bottom I have to increase until I reach the left border. So we need some reference when we are setting these pictures. I can move it randomly, but in this case will be much more difficult to have a same size and the same position. And now just OK. And just moving to reaching the right side, increasing until the left side reaches the left border of the frame, to the Canva. Click on the original picture and just removing the background. And as you can see here, we have frames around the letters. So just moving a bit down this picture and set this light blue, dark blue background to the picture. And now just move back the shark to the original position. Click on one of the letter, not important which one. I prefer to move from left to right. It's much easier than if I'm doing it randomly. So I just click on it. click on the border style and just click on a simple line. This border weight 4 is more or less good enough. Border color I just change into white, and now just moving to here, copy style, and I just copy to the next letter. Click again, copy style, here again, and again. And now we have the final result. I think this technique looks awesome. Of course, we can use any picture from the background and insert them to the frames. And of course, don't forget to insert the background also without the background, without the removing the background, the original picture, and we can set any new background to the picture, which looks pretty awesome for me. These frames, letter frames, are very nice to use. We can use it for several things. This one is, I think that's a pretty nice one. Maybe we can do it even more colorful, like or a smaller. I just realized when the text is a bit smaller, like 4 characters, like for a bird, and we insert a nice colorful bird inside, that might be even more beautiful. Then we do not even have need this gradient background. We can leave it as a white, or we can put any solid color. But this is also based on your reference and requirements. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to hit the like button if you like it and enjoyed it. And also do not forget to subscribe, and see you in my next tutorial. Ciao.